Okay, inside create.php, create a PHP tag. In here we are going to need couple of HTTP headers. HTTP headers let the client and server pass additional information to request and response. Okay, at first, very fast, we are going to need the first headers. This is the method. By using this we are going to pass our HTTP headers. First is access control allow origin. This is the first header, and we are going to pass it here inside a quotation mark. We are going to give the access to all because this is a public API. And next header is content type. This should be a application JSON type. We are going to send JSON data by using this API. Content type will be application JSON. Okay, now access control allow method. You see the syntax over here. Okay, we are going to pass the syntax here as well. Header allow access control allow method will be post, and this application should be started with lowercase, doesn't matter actually. And the very last one is access control allow headers. All the header we have used, we need to allow this here as well. At first we have used access control allow origin. This is our first header. Let's copy and paste it here. This will be a comma separated list. And next one is content type. Copy and paste it here. Next one is access control allow method. This is our next header. And last one is this one itself. Okay, copy and paste it here, give a semicolon. Don't worry, I'll give all the link of those header in our description of this video, so you can follow, copy and paste. I think in our model we have player.php. In here we need to declare one more variable, that is private id, because we need to update and delete data by using id. This should be id comma, copy this line and paste it below as well, control D id. Now we need to include this database.php file and player.php file. For that just write require underscore once, and our file directory, that is, we need to move back 2 steps from our player. This is the first step and this is the second step, API. Now we are in REST API directory. Config slash database bac.php. Copy this and paste it below as well. This should be models and layer. Now here we are going to create an instance of our class, and we are going to set all of the variable here. db is equal new database, that was the name of our database, and we have a function connect. We have a function in our database, that is connect. Let's see once again, it's connect. It doesn't take any parameter, so we don't need to give any one. Now let's create a variable. Data is equal JSON, because we are getting all the variable as JSON format, so we are going to need this function JSON decode. File contents, and the value will be php :// input. Now declare all the variable. Name is equal html special character stripe underscore tags. Inside this will have data name. We will get a name value from this. Okay, copy this and paste it below 3 more times. Second one will be, this should be club, don't forget about this club, and this should be market value. We don't need the last one. Actually, what this HTML special characters mean, this mean you can't enter any SQL query in here. You just have the string value, and we want to get as JSON format.